Beth's getting ready to dive into Blue Springs. It's a 10-foot dive. Beth's getting ready to jump in.
Get me out.
Into this beautiful pool of natural spring water. And here she goes.
Oh God, I don't think I can.
Just go, honey.
I don't think.
Just go, hurry up. Over here, honey. I got you.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
Okay.
You did it.
Okay.
Stand up.
Where?
Right here.
Okay. Okay. Now go do it.
How was it?
It was cold, but it was deep. You go down pretty far.
You didn't touch bottom, did you?
No. It was good. See what you're missing? What's this called again? Blue Springs. The Fountain of Youth. 72-degree water. Like ice cubes. No problem.